Hey, I'm CNET's Rye Christ, and today we're cooking with the Wolfgang Puck pressure oven. Now, this is a countertop appliance for your kitchen that promises to cook meats and poultry quite a bit faster than the conventional method you might be using. It does this because it's a pressure cooker. It has this valve up on top here that locks in the heat, locks in moisture, actually gets the boiling point of water up. That makes the steam that infuses your food super hot, and that's what cooks it fast. Now, you don't have to pressure cook with this thing. You can leave the valve on top vented and not seal it shut when you're using it, and that will in effect make it into a very large toaster oven. But if you're using that pressure cooking function, you're going to get really fast performance, and that's the main claim of this thing, so we wanted to verify that. We cooked a full-size pork roast, both in a traditional oven and in the Wolfgang Puck pressure oven, and we found that the pressure oven pork cooked way faster. We also tried cooking a full-size 8-pound chicken, and the results we got there were terrific. We got juicy meat on the inside, a crispy skin on the outside. It was even better than what we got out of a convection oven. Now, the true torture test, though, was the full-size turkey that we cooked, and this was 13 pounds and change. It was large-sized bird. It almost didn't fit. Had to squeeze it in the door there. And if you watch as we're cooking, it browns up nicely on the outside and a little bit extra on the top because it's so close to that heating element. It's kind of smushed in there. The oven's recipe says it'll cook an 11-pound bird in 50 to 55 minutes. This was 13 pounds. Took about an hour and 10 minutes to get it fully up to temperature, but that was still exceptional compared to what it would take to cook in a normal oven. If you want to save time, this thing will do it. I do have some qualms with the design, though, especially with the pressure valve. This thing has to be used correctly, and it's not quite as idiot-proof as I would like to see. If you look up here, it's got the vent spot, and then it's got these two different seals. This is actually one large seal position here. Anything outside of vent will seal it, but still, it's a little confusing. There's also the fact that the arrow is on this side, and then the little handle is on this side. I could really see someone making the mistake of using the handle as the arrow. If you put that handle towards vent, it's going to actually be in the seal position. I wish it was a little better designed. That would inspire some more confidence as you're cooking these large cuts of meat. It cost $249. That's not an inexpensive countertop appliance, but it's pretty reasonable given the time-saving performance that it offers. For CNET, I'm Rye Christ.